task table component is a presentational component. And presentational components are responsible for interacting with the user. They don't store data in the backend, and they don't directly deal with any kind of business logic. Presentational components are something called dump or pure components. They are helpful when we need to reuse the same component in multiple different scenarios. We extracted the task table to show how to create presentational components in practice. But a better example of a presentational component is the Angular Materials calendar component, right? It's dump and pure. It doesn't know how to store data, and it doesn't know anything about the application-specific logic. And it's also reusable. You can reuse it to bind its input or output fields to different data sources. Now that you understand dump components, task table is not likely an excellent candidate to be a dump component. It includes a lot of application-specific information in it, and we hardly ever need to reuse it. As I said, I turned it into a presentational component to teach you how to create presentational components. Now on the other side, we got smart components. Smart components are components that deal with higher level application concepts. Unlike a calendar or date input, smart components inject application-specific services directly and store or retrieve data from the backend. An example of a smart component in our application is the task list component. Smart components usually don't directly handle complex presentational details. They typically compose multiple presentational components to deal with the presentational details instead.